What do you do if you've lost your nipple for whatever reason? Maybe it's surgery. Hi, I'm Sherry from Twin Sisters Mastectomy Boutique, and this is something that I see all the time. Women who come into the boutique and they've lost their breast and their nipple, and if they've had reconstruction, they don't have a nipple there. Or maybe they've had a lumpectomy, which is when they just take out part of the breast, but in some cases they take out the part that has the nipple. Now, I'm not a doctor or a nurse. I know that there are some nipple preserving surgeries. I don't know how that works, and I don't know if it's for everybody, but pretty much the majority of people who come in to see me don't have a nipple. And I've also heard of people losing their nipples through other breast surgeries, whether it's a reduction or something else. It can happen. So what do you do? Well, first of all, there are amazing 3D tattoos that are flat against your skin. Let's say you've had reconstruction, or maybe you're flat chested, but you can have the tattoo, but to look at it, it looks like it's 3D. It looks like there's a projecting nipple, but to touch it, it's not. Like, that's somewhat amazing. People are such artists. But if you don't want to have a tattoo, and maybe you've had reconstruction, or maybe it's on a flat chest, or maybe you're wearing a breast prosthesis and you just want a nipple-y look, you can get surgical grade silicone nipples. I'm going to put it on here so you can see it better. Now, I've got this on a plastic backing, so you just peel it off and you would put it right on the spot where you want it, whether it's on a breast prosthesis, whether it's on your chest wall, whether it's on a reconstructed breast. And what you can see is that there's actually projection. See how it sticks up a little bit? It's amazing. And these come in different sizes and skin tones, which is really nice so that the girls can match. You can get one, you can get two. They usually come in a package of 2, and they just literally just stick to your skin. But some of them do come with an adhesive that's biocompatible, and it'll just make it stick a little bit better. And people are loving them. It just gives you a very natural look. It, especially if you're somebody who is nipply, and some people will say to me, well, one nipple's going to show and the other one isn't. So then they're like, do I just cover the nipple, or do I let the other nipple come out by putting on a prosthetic nipple? And it's a personal choice. Some people could care less. But, if you're wearing a thin bra, it's going to show a discrepancy sometimes. So sometimes people wear a thicker bra because they don't want one nipple to show and not the other. It's all a personal choice. But the option is there for you. You can get a nipple. Like, seriously, the breast cancer world has thought of everything. So if you don't want to get a tattoo, you can use a prosthetic nipple. And it's amazing how just putting on that nipple can make you feel like yourself again. It's really, you look in the mirror and you go, oh, I recognize myself. Whereas sometimes if you don't have a nipple, you look in the mirror and you go, oh, that's not how I remember my body. It's just a little subtle things that can make a huge difference. And why not? Why not? If it's gonna make you feel better, go for it. Let me know if you have had a nipple tattoo, or if you've had a prosthetic nipple, or if you couldn't care less. What are your thoughts on that? Like, do you think it matters? Do you think it doesn't matter? Did it make a difference to you? Put your comments down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you soon.